now for the walk around. So take it off. So this is my bike. It's got a front disc guard on it. Supermoto XL Supermoto rims, and they're like knobby Supermoto, so they're not slicks. It's got different turn signals on it. Right here, that's the bark busters integrated with the turn signal. Carbon fiber pipe guard, rear disc brake guard. I think it's got a little upgraded suspension, like revalved. The Kickstarter, obviously, I love having a backup Kickstarter on it. Anyway, the whatever, low profile rear tail lights. It's got a little gripper thing right there. Comes in handy, but it's kind of small. Let's see what else. So here's the front view. And the whole shrouds. So this is all gas tank right here. So it's like 4 gallons, I think. Obviously, Trail Tech Voyager. I love having that. And the steering stabilizer, which comes in handy because this thing, it's so light that it gets speed wobbles really easily. Anyway, so that's the bike. I love it. It's fantastic. They're still expensive. I mean, I still see them go for like $6 grand. I think I bought this one. I did a job for a dude, and that covered for like half of it, and I paid like $3 grand. So not cheap, but in my opinion, totally worth it. Let's see if it'll start. It doesn't like to start in gear. Let's see if I put it into neutral. That's the only downside. I don't really like that. It doesn't start in gear. So if it dies on a stoplight or something. But it starts in neutral, so that's all that matters. Let's see if I can do a little wheelie. Alright, that wasn't bad. Let's see if I can do one more. That's it. Wasn't bad. That's about all I got for wheelies. Oh my god, my front brake. Let's see if I can take it on dirt. I just like doing little wheelies. That's all I need. So I can still take it off for a little bit. I don't know what's up here though. Trash. People are so trashy. Who leaves trash at that spot? Come on. I'm trying to turn my steering stabilizer down when I'm turning in a little parking lot. It's hard to turn. Anyways, I'll do some more riding videos. Let me know in the comments if you want to see more riding videos on dual sports, or I'm thinking about doing a review on my YZ250X and the XR650. I can even do it on a TCR230 that I just bought too for my girlfriend. Let me know if you want to see more reviews on my bikes, or I don't know, just let me know if you want to see more riding videos just like this, cruising around. Maybe ride with some friends when they come to town. I don't know, there's a lot of options. I like filming, so let me know. I'm just gonna go home and change tires. Got a race coming up, so that should be fun. Guys, no rear windshield. That's